In 2002, SpaceX was founded by Elon Musk with the goal of reducing space transportation costs to enable the colonization of Mars. It manufactures the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy launch vehicles, several rocket engines,
space shuttle
cargo dragon, crew spacecraft, and Starlink communication satellites. In January 2020, the Starlink constellation became the largest satellite constellation ever launched, and as of May 2022, it comprises over 2,400 small satellites in orbit. SpaceX is the world's first private company to launch and land a rocket on a vertical takeoff and vertical propulsive landing for an orbital rocket. The company is also developing Starship, a fully reusable, super heavy lift launch system for interplanetary and orbital spaceflight. Starship will have the highest payload capacity of any orbital rocket ever built on its debut. Scheduled for 2022 pending launch license, SpaceX has flown and landed the Falcon 9 series of rockets over 100 times. In 2001, Elon Musk conceptualized Mars Oasis, a project to land a miniature experimental greenhouse and grow plants on Mars. Musk initially attempted to acquire a Deveber ICBM for the project through Russian contacts from Jim Cantrell. When Musk returned to Moscow with Mike Griffin, they found the Russians increasingly unreceptive. On the flight home, Musk announced that he could start a company to build affordable rockets instead, El Segundo, California-based. By November 2005, the company had 160 employees, and Musk personally interviewed and approved all of its employees. Early SpaceX employees such as Tom Mueller, Gwynne Shotwell, and Chris Thompson came from neighboring TRW and Boeing corporations following the cancellation of the Brilliant Pebbles program. The company was selected by NASA to provide crew and cargo resupply demonstration contracts to the International Space Station under the COTS program. Musk was reportedly looking for stress. In 2005, SpaceX announced plans to pursue a human-rated commercial space program through the end of the decade, a program that would later become the Dragon spacecraft. Financing for Tesla Motors had failed as well, and consequently Tesla, Solar City, and Musk personally were all nearly bankrupt at the same time. The first two Falcon 1 launches were purchased by the United States Department of Defense under a program that evaluates new U.S. launch vehicles suitable for use by DARPA. Elon Musk spent $30 million between SpaceX and Tesla, and NASA awarded the first Commercial Resupply Services contract to SpaceX in December. Gwynne Shotwell was also promoted to company president at this time for her role in successfully negotiating the CRS contract with the NASA Administrator Mike Griffin. SpaceX originally intended to follow its Light Falcon 1 launch vehicle with an intermediate capacity vehicle, the Falcon 5. The company instead decided in 2005 to proceed with the development of the Falcon 9, a reusable heavier lift vehicle. The Falcon 9 launched for the first time in June 2010 with the Dragon spacecraft qualification unit, using a mock-up of the Dragon spacecraft. By December 2010, the SpaceX production line was manufacturing one Falcon 9 and Dragon every 3 months. In April 2011, NASA awarded SpaceX a U.S. $75 million contract to develop an integrated launch escape system for Dragon. In May 2012, with the Dragon C2 Plus launch, Dragon became the first commercial spacecraft to deliver cargo to the International Space Station. SpaceX's active reusability test program began in late 2012 with testing low-altitude, low-speed aspects of the landing technology. The Falcon 9 prototypes performed vertical takeoffs and landings. SpaceX launched the first commercial mission for a private customer in 2013. In 2014, SpaceX won 9 contracts out of the 20 that were openly competed worldwide. Arianespace requested that European governments provide additional subsidies to face the competition from SpaceX. In September 2014, NASA awarded SpaceX the Commercial Crew Transportation Capability contract. In January 2015, SpaceX raised $1 billion in funding from Google and Fidelity in exchange for 8.33% of the company. The Falcon 9 had its first major failure in late June 2015 when the 7th ISS resupply mission, CRS-7, exploded 2 minutes into the flight. The problem was traced to a failed 2-feet-long steel strut that held a helium pressure vessel, which broke free due to the force of acceleration. SpaceX first achieved a successful landing and recovery of a first stage in December 2015 with Falcon 9 Flight 20. In April 2016, the company achieved the first successful landing of the autonomous spaceport drone ship Histroy in the Atlantic Ocean, a second major rocket delivery in September 2016, when a Falcon 9 exploded during a propeller wheel operation for a standard pre-launch static market share for awarded commercial launch contracts. In July 2017, the company raised US $350 million, which raised its valuation to US $21 billion. By March 2018, SpaceX had more than 100 launches on its manifest, representing about US $12 billion in contract revenue. This made SpaceX the leading global commercial launch provider measured by manifested launches. During 2018, the Boeing company was spun out into a separate corporate entity. SpaceX announced it would lay off 10% of its workforce in order to help finance the Starship and Starlink projects in January 2019. In May 2019, SpaceX also launched the first large batch of 60 Starlink satellites, beginning the deployment of what would become the world's largest commercial satellite constellation the following year. By May 2019, the valuation of SpaceX had risen to US $33.3 billion and reached US $36 billion. By March 2020, SpaceX is the first private company to send astronauts to the International Space Station and the first crewed orbital launch from American soil in 9 years. In May 2020, SpaceX successfully launched 2 NASA astronauts into orbit on a Crew Dragon spacecraft. By 2021, SpaceX had raised a total of more than US $6 billion in equity financing. A new round of financing in 2022 values SpaceX at US $125 billion. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.